In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Klarna to Stripe. Easy, 5 minutes. If you want to offer buy now, pay later at checkout, enabling Klarna in Stripe takes just a few clicks. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and what to confirm so you can start accepting Klarna with confidence. First, sign into your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct account and the right mode, test or live, depending on what you're working on. You'll need the appropriate permissions to manage payments, so if you don't see certain options, check with your account admin. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll find the gear icon in the sidebar or top navigation, depending on your layout. Inside Settings, look for the Product Settings section. This is where Stripe keeps the configuration for how you accept payments. Open Payments, then choose Payment Methods. You'll see a list of all the payment options available to your business. The list may be grouped by region or currency, and availability depends on your country, industry, and verification status. If you don't see Klarna immediately, scroll down or use the search bar at the top of the list. When you find Klarna, click the Turn On button next to it. Stripe may prompt you to acknowledge any applicable terms or show you a quick summary of how Klarna works, including fees. Go ahead and proceed. Turning it on here enables Klarna for eligible transactions in your account. Next, Stripe will ask you to confirm your business logo and contact information because Klarna shows these to customers during their payment experience and in their app. Take a moment to review your display name, support email, and support URL, and make sure your logo is clear and up to date. A square, high-resolution image tends to look best. Accurate contact details help customers reach you and improve trust, so it's worth double-checking this before you continue. That's it for the setup inside Stripe. If you already use Stripe Checkout or the payment element with automatic payment methods, Klarna can appear automatically to eligible customers once it's turned on. If you're using a custom integration, make sure your configuration allows Klarna so it can be offered at checkout. Quick tip: if Klarna doesn't show up in your payment methods list, verify that your business location and currency are supported, that your account verification is complete, and that you're viewing the correct account and mode. You've now enabled Klarna in Stripe. Save your changes, test in a safe environment if needed, and you're ready to give customers a flexible way to pay.